Welcome to Conflict's first fashion experiment, where three uber-confident folks walk in thinking, "Ugh, how hard can styling be?" But what gives them that confidence? Is it their privilege? Or is it their personality?
For me, fashion is like boho mix, punk mix. I don't know, like just whatever.
Effortless, quiet luxury.
I don't have a statement.
They got 5 accessories to style themselves up, and we got an ugly outfit waiting to knock them down. The contestants will be given 10 minutes to style themselves.
Objective बस style करना है ना, अच्छा style करना थोड़ी है.
They can use their phones or a toolbox, but 2 minutes will be deducted from their time. In case they decide to use our mystery box, 2 minutes will be added to their styling time. How will they save themselves now? Will their confidence survive this minor inconvenience?
Okay, I'm dying. Can we start? Hi Conflict, I'm Anisha, I'm 22 years old and I like to paint, draw, sketches. I like to take care of my health. I work out every day and I like to take photos almost every day, every minute if I can, if there's space in my phone.
Hi Conflict, my name is Divyanshu. I'm from Ghaziabad and I watch any kind of film, no matter what language. I watch all languages. Any music I listen to.
Hey Conflict, Richa this side. I'm 23, I'm from Delhi. I write poems, I'm into music, I dance.
I usually follow something one piece of my outfit would be very loose and one piece of the outfit would be structured.
I wear very simple and subtle clothes, but I like decent brands. I'm a big fan of brands.
I'm a very playful person when it comes to like styling myself, but I really like to have something poppy. Any mainstream character. I think Pooh from K3G, like on days when I want to experiment.
It would be maybe Mulan from Mulan, the warrior princess.
Saif Ali Khan from 2000 movies. I guess Czech Prince. मेरे नानू के अंडरवेयर रहते थे Czech Prince के.
I kind of like judge people who have septum piercing. I don't think it's my style and I'm not really like into such styling, so yeah.
Dude, I don't know, I don't shop regularly.
अगर मम्मी के साथ शॉपिंग पे जा रहा हूँ तो अनलिमिटेड. खुद खरीद रहा हूँ तो 2 blue oranges.
Some months I just spend like 1,000 to 2K. Some months if I'm like splurging, I'm like, go girl, it's your payday, you do you. So then it's like 15K, 16K.
So it's a watch, Armani Exchange watch that I got for 32,000.
Clothing, I think the most expensive I had got was this dress that I got for 8K. Today, the 5 things that I've picked are my jeans, the distressed ones, my boots, I have this bracelet, oxidized one, I have my oxidized earrings, and then a scarf.
The 5 things that I've picked are a pair of pants, shoes, a tank top, and a jewelry piece, and also one bag.
So I have picked for myself today a basic shirt, a basic t-shirt, a watch and a jeans, and my Jordan 1s.
I hope with these you can save this outfit.
अरे मैं कर लूँ यार. बहन चु.
What the f?
अरे टेंट का कपड़ा ये तो.
What is this?
Pretty, I think.
Style nothing.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how judgmental are you about someone else's
10 भाई,
outfit?
10. बहुत गॉसिप का शौक है मुझे तो. बहुत गॉसिप करता हूँ.
Honestly, I don't think I would care on someone else's fashion opinions because it's their comfort and whatever they feel confident in their outfits.
by default I am a judgmental person. Even if I coax my brain not to judge, I do judge. So I think I'd like 7.5. Yeah, 7.5.
चालू है कैमरा चालू है। ये मिला है भाई मेरे को, अपने दुश्मनों को मैं याद दूँ ऐसा कपड़ा।
I don't know who would buy this for $3.99.
Bro, stop. I'm not talking about my dress. You didn't tell me about this part.
It's like useless in this outfit.
तो बस अब मैं चेंज करके आ जाऊँ।
I can use safety pins, no?
And your 2 minutes will be cut.
Yeah, okay, fine. I don't need a lifeline. I think.
Just go change fast.
ये लाइट कैसी कोठे वाली है भाई।
How much time is left?
5 minutes.
भाई दो तो अच्छे नहीं दिखते। क्या चू ऐसा कलर है।
Let me maybe. I'll take the mystery box.
I can use this one also, no? No time will be deducted.
लाइफलाइन में कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं है।
Oh, it's this. Is this your mystery box?
ये है। अरे वाह।
Chee.
अच्छा.
Why don't you put the heck?
तो मेरा लिए तो छूट ही है। बनी ही भी नहीं है। यार ये बहुत हंस रहे हैं यार ये कैमरे वाले भैया।
Woof.
तुम्हारे पास 1 मिनट बाकी।
तो -1 में चले जाऊंगा मैं।
5, 4,
3. I'll come and I'll use the mystery box.
Well, that wasn't very demure of them. Turns out, a little fashion is all it takes to shake things up. Time for the big reveal.
Yeah, nothing can save this. This is not even an outfit, it's just cover.
नहीं भाई नहीं, कोई और होता तो शायद कर लेता। फिर मैं कर लूँगा यार।
No, I think this outfit can be done better if I have if you give me a decent time. Stop! I'm not talking about my dress.
1 minute 30 seconds is over already. What do I do? If this look had a hashtag, what would it be?
#doomed.
#साईं बाबा।
#Mickey Mouse.
How would you rate the other two?
Anisha looked nice. She flipped this thing fine. I think to her I would give a 6. She also played safe. Divyanshu, I mean the outfit he made a jhola out of it. So I mean 3.
7 दोनों को।
I think I would give her a 6 too, and him also a 7.
Rank yourselves in 1, 2, 3. Who, according to you, performed the best?
1 तो मैं ही रहती है। 2 अनीशा, 3rd रिचा।
So that's them.
Okay, I'll use Pinterest. I don't have Pinterest in my phone.
We'll be back with more chaos and more ugly clothes. Until then,
No.
stay stylish, stay confident, and remember,
यार परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर आ रहा है भैया, आप आगे बताओ।
it's the only thing that can save you.
I have to take time and think for this. Wait.